Hey guys, it's Brooke here from the Vintage Gardener. Welcome back to my channel. So, wanted to show you before I forgot. There's going to be a major change in my yard. So I'm getting solar panels. So the solar panels are going to be going on top of the carriage house, which is this building. Can you guys see it? Right back there. So they're going to be going on that side of the thing. Now the thing is, in order for me to get the sun I need, they have to take down this one tree. So let me show you. So guys, this is the tree they have to take down. It's a sycamore. Now, part of me is a little bit sad because as you can see, it's massive. It's a huge canopy. It's really nice. I don't just like taking down trees, but it's a really, really messy tree. I'm sure you can see the peeling bark. It peels bark. It's constantly dropping branches. Here's the other thing, so that part I don't like, but it's a mere inconvenience. The thing that really is concerning is that some of these branches, especially the ones that go over the house, you know, if we get a storm and stuff starts coming down, that's going to take down like the back of my house. The branches are fairly substantial and they're only going to get, bigger. So unfortunately, this does have to come down. The other reason I don't mind is because see those white pipes sticking out of the ground? That is my septic drain field. And so I know you're supposed to plant trees at least 30 feet, which it probably is. I don't even know if it is. That concerns me because, as big as this tree canopy is, it's going to be at least that under the ground. So I'm probably avoiding issues down the road with my septic field by taking that out. The thing is, this side is this is south, okay, and behind me is north. So as you can well imagine, this is going to give me a lot more sun. So I'm changing the plan. I know some of you guys are asking, what plan is that, Brooke? Well, if you guys remember, I did a video showing you guys where I was planning to put the potager garden. That's not happening anymore. I'm actually going to, hang on, I'm not looking at the camera because I'm looking down because I do get snakes in this part of my yard and I don't want to be stepping on anything. I'm going to turn that into a shade garden. It's going to be less expensive because quite frankly, I won't have to take those trees down. I can leave them. Once I get everything planted, I do need to come back here with my weed whacker because some of this brush is starting to come back and I need to stay low. Now, I'm sure you guys saw that pile of wood chips behind me. Once I finish planting up the Potager garden, those wood chips are actually going to be going in this section right here. So, it'll be fine. So let me turn the camera around. First off, the rhododendron are blooming, so you can definitely see that better than you could last year. But this is what I mean when I say this stuff is coming back. Now, I think with my lawnmower or even my weed whacker, I can take this down. But when I take those wood chips from over there and put them here, I'm gonna layer it up. It's gonna keep that down. The other thing is that when they take that sycamore tree down, I asked them to chip it and add to that pile. So I'll have a nice thick layer of wood chips to keep all of this down. Now the thing is, those wood chips actually break down pretty quickly because that pile was a lot higher than it was when I first got it. It was higher when I first got it. I actually did use some of those chips in the bottom of those stock tanks and it was hot inside. So that is a sign of decomposition. So this is going to be like I said, it's going to be a woodland garden. I'm probably going to extend it, next year I'm having those junipers taken out, but I'm definitely going to extend this bed out. Probably not as far as I was planning to take the vegetable garden, but at least, I don't know, maybe from here, maybe just make a nice straight line all the way down, and then it's going to get extended out the back. I didn't start on this section yet because, like I said, I'm trying to finish up planting the parterre garden. But that stake down there, that is actually my property line, and that stake down there is the other edge. So I'm gonna run a string through it between the two of them, and I think what I'm actually gonna do is I'm going to plant some green giant arborvitae to mark the property. I was looking, I can plant, even though they get kind of wide if they're standalone, you can plant them 5 feet apart, so that'll give them like a 10-foot spread. And they grow between 3 to 5 feet. So it'll give me a nice, you know, they grow pretty fast. So it'll give me a nice barrier. And basically, so yeah, so it'll be directly behind all of this, but once again, it's going to be a woodland garden. So just remember, all this brush won't be here. So, I'm still trying to figure out. So like I said, I'm going to start measuring some things, but that's pretty much what I'm going to do. Is I'm going to have a nice bank of green arborvitae, and then, you know, all this brush that's right here, it'll be gone. It'll be, you know, wood chipped down, and so. You know, I think from here, from what I remember, from here to there is like 26 feet. And of course, with the arborvitae, I mean, it's going to, I think it's an additional like 10 feet to the property line. So I think it's going to look really nice. The arborvitae are going to add a lot of shade to this. And so I haven't started planning that out. I think what I'm going to do is just get the arborvitae in, get the mulch down, and then start taking measurements with the trees there to figure out what it is exactly that I want to do. But it's definitely going to be shade garden. This section right here, that rhododendron is struggling, so I think I'm just going to have it taken out. And I really would like this like built up area to be graded out so it's smooth. And then you see where the edge of the house is? I do have some smaller arborvitae that I would like to make a break. Like, we'll see where the rhododendron is, like do a row of arborvitae in front of there. It won't quite touch, I don't want it to touch the house, but just to kind of provide a separation. So quite frankly, I guess when I look at it, I probably could take the, you know, because there'll be a break with the arborvitae right here. I guess I can actually start the woodland garden like from where I'm standing now. So yeah, so at the end of the day, it'll get there, you know, but it is what it is, people. It is what it is. So it's getting hot out here, so I'm gonna go inside.